Next few days, Arjun started in his quiet way connecting me, and to me, I really would say that please look at a reason and just send one email to an alumni, and right away you would be connected. Again, we thank the India team, and we are really looking forward to working with you, and we make a commitment to take every message you have to all the 60,000 alumni in the US. Thank you.
Now, thank you, Arjun. Now, dear Pan IITians, you have the vision of Pan IIT India as well as Pan IIT USA. Any suggestions to improve upon, to refine, and to fine-tune of our vision are most welcome. You can do it now. You can do it after the session also. I mean, the choice is yours. Maybe one or two suggestions we can take right now, and other suggestions can be given to us whenever you feel comfortable.
Can I give a suggestion?
Yeah, please.
Which I was going to give before, and I was asked not to give it then. It's wonderful that what Pan IIT is doing, very lovely aims and objectives, and you have very clearly specified what you all want to do. But I notice all of them are in the tangible domain. The big contribution of our country has been, to the world, has been in the intangible. And what I'm finding is day by day, the intangible domain is being given less and less and less of importance. And I feel that Pan IIT can do a very great service to nation building if we also include one or two aspects in the intangible domain. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. Please. Now, I suppose since we are getting late for lunch, may I request Mr. Viti Bindra to please come over on the dais so that we can have the valedictory session and the baton handover also simultaneously.
I'm Karunakaran, IIT Delhi, 1975. I have served IIT for 19 years. I would like to make two suggestions. Can I go ahead? I would like to make two suggestions. One is, as I noticed, ever since I was in IIT Delhi, a sort of inferiority complex in India has set. It can be overcome by systemic design innovation and manufacturing excellence. I think the IITs have to identify systems where India can really manufacture for India and the world. I think that's number one. Then we have to move on to create social entrepreneurs through a connected vision. Three of our IITians, we in Wardha, we are starting an initiative of training 5,000 social entrepreneurs in Sevagram complex itself and in another complex coming over 200 acres. I think I from IIT Delhi and two from IIT Bombay, I think we need support. And through this, we can have a connected vision and a lot of people exposed through successful stories. Thank you. I have a note, if advised, I can circulate in the afternoon.
A very good suggestion. Sir, will you please name yourself?
Dr. T. Karunakaran, I am from IIT Delhi, and I served in 4 IITs over 19 years, and then I was Vice Chancellor for 3 universities. And recently I created an institute in Wardha, National Institute called MGIRI, under Ministry of MSME. And
okay, thank you. Now, last question, please. Last suggestion, please.
I'm Ayush. I'm 2008 batch pass out from IIT Madras. Basically, we are into social technologies as the technology center you had pointed out. So I would love to be involved with that. I had 2 quick points which I wanted to make. One was that we have a very, very good set of lectures that we are having here. So I would suggest that we can organize these videos and put them across like the TED videos or the Google Tech Talks, and take them forward. Secondly, about the think tank that we have, I think we can broaden it a bit and not only go for government advocacy, but also look at India from a large perspective and take it to CSR advocacy as well, take it to getting all the different stakeholders connected in the right manner. I think there is no one
You will
looking
take
at
over,
the broader picture, and there is no professional think tank, a 24 by 7 by 365 think tank which exists trying to find out the loopholes of the country and where it is hurting the most. I think the think tank specific to the government is only looking at specific areas. I think we can broaden it a lot.
Okay, thank you.